Picture a Christmas morning in 1950. A child tears open wrapping paper to reveal a bright red case. Inside are 4 glass jars filled with rocks. But these aren't ordinary rocks. They're glowing with something invisible and powerful. Something that had ended a war just 5 years earlier. This was the Gilbert U-238 Atomic Energy Lab, and it was a toy. For $49.50, $650 today, parents could give their children real uranium, actual radioactive ore from the Colorado Plateau. Packaged with a Geiger counter, a cloud chamber, and a cheerful comic titled, "Learn How Dagwood Splits the Atom." The creator was Alfred Carlton Gilbert, Olympic pole vaulter, magician, inventor of the erector set, and the man who once saved Christmas by convincing the US government not to ban toys during World War I. He believed science was magic. He believed children should hold the future in their hands. So he built them a laboratory. The kit promised wonders, watching alpha particles race through a cloud chamber, detecting radiation with a real electroscope, even playing hide and seek with a gamma ray source using your Geiger counter. And the government said it was completely safe. Oak Ridge Labs approved it. Progress, they said, not recklessness. But let's pause for a moment. A child, in their bedroom, opening jars of uranium ore. The instructions didn't warn about health risks, only that breaking the seals might let the rocks crumble and contaminate the experiment. Radioactive dust on your desk, your carpet, your hands. Not dangerous enough to panic, just dangerous enough to ruin the science. Gilbert defended the kit fiercely. He said top nuclear physicists helped make it. And maybe he inspired someone, some future scientist staring into that cloud chamber. But the public wasn't convinced. Fewer than 5,000 units sold. By 1951, the toy disappeared. A 1953 letter apologized. Materials were harder to get. Government rules had tightened. The dream was over. In 2006, Radar magazine called it one of the most dangerous toys ever made. But modern analysis says the radiation exposure was minimal, similar to a day in the sun, as long as the seals stayed intact, as long as nothing went wrong. But that's the thing about radioactivity, isn't it? You can't see it, you can't smell it, you can't feel it, until it's too late. And we ask children to trust a seal, to resist curiosity, to not touch the mysterious glowing rocks. Today, complete atomic energy labs sell for thousands. Collectors treasure them. Museums display them as relics of a moment when America believed the atom could be tamed, gifted, wrapped in Christmas paper. Gilbert called it the most spectacular of our educational toys. Maybe he was right. Spectacular in ambition, spectacular in audacity, spectacular in how perfectly it captured the paradox of the atomic age. We don't make toys like that anymore. We've learned too much, seen too much. But somewhere, those red briefcases still exist. Inside, the uranium still quietly decays, particle by particle, as it has for billions of years. Long after the children who open them are gone. Long after we've forgotten the feeling that the atom belonged to us. The gift that promised the future. The gift that never asked what that future might cost.